is a house up in the North Woods they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many poor boy and me. Oh God, I'm a one. Tailor, she sold these new blue jeans. My father was a gambling man, Lord, up in the North Woods. Now the only thing a gambler needs is a suitcase and a trunk, and the only time he's satisfied is when he's on a drunk. And the only time he's satisfied is when he's on a drunk. He fills his glass up to the brim, and he'll pass the cards around. And the only pleasure he gets out of life is rambling from town to town. Oh, tell my baby sister not to do what I have done, but shun that house in the North Woods they call the rising sun. And the other food on the train. I'm going back to the North Woods to swing that axe and blade. I'm going back to the North Woods. My race is almost run. I'm going back to end my life down in the rising sun. I'm going back to end my life down in the rising sun. There is a house in the North Woods they call the rising sun, and it's been the ruin of many poor boy and me. Oh God.